Good evening. This is Jared with Carbon Digital, and today we're talking about Google Analytics and how to exclude either your logged in users or your actual access to the website itself. So you can see here one of the websites, this is actually my website. It's a WordPress website, and it shows that I got a few different countries happening here and 147 page views, which, I don't do much marketing, so it's going to make things interesting for sure. But I want to make sure that my traffic is not actively messing up the Google Analytics data. And so what we do is we go into the Google Analytics, and from the home page here, at the bottom right-hand side, we're going to click on Admin. And so you can either access the filters through the main panel here, all filters, or you can go to the actual view that you have and click on filters. And that's going to pull up your actual filters. So I actually have a custom login URL, so I've already excluded that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add our IP address. So if you open up a new tab and you go to Google, what is my IP? It'll tell you right there. Boom. So you just copy that number and swing back into Google Analytics. So we're going to add a filter here. So the first one is your IP address, add filter, and we're going to say remove Jared's traffic and select this predefined filter type, exclude, and our source or destination is traffic from the IP address, and the expression is that are equal to, and then plug that in and hit save. So now Google Analytics is going to remove, they're not even going to capture any traffic from me going to my own website. So another piece that's highly important is your admin URLs. So if you don't have any need for customer logins and it's just employees that are logging in, then you want to definitely add this next filter. So that filter is, we're going to call this remove logged in users. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to create an exclude filter with a subdirectory, and you can use anything here, but I like to use contains. And we're going to do so for example, we're using a WordPress website. So when you're logged into WordPress, you'll see that everything has your domain and then WP admin. So what we're going to do is we're going to take WP-admin and put that inside of 2 slashes, and that's our subdirectory. So when we hit save, it's no longer going to track any page that I'm logged into, which is very useful. Another thing that you're going to come across with WordPress specifically is their login page. So we're going to remove that. So add filter, remove login page. And this one's going to be a custom filter. And we're going to select the field request URI. And then we're going to type in wp-login.php. And then just hit save. So right out the gate there, that's going to take our login page, our logged in users, our personal traffic, and you can repeat this as many times as you needed, or our custom login URLs. And so the fun part is identifying when customers are actually logged in. So for example, if you had a membership site and you want to track those logged in users, then that is not included here. This is just a general stop tracking all of your employee data and all of your personal data directly with Google Analytics. And so from this point moving forward, Google Analytics itself is actually not going to track that information anymore. And that's very, very useful, very, very critical that you have this information plugged into your Google Analytics. Until next time, we'll do more videos about what to actually do for e-commerce logins or customer logins or membership logins. We'll do another video for those specifically. So until next time, happy coding.